Get the message to Supersize and Grow Your Business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom. This is just from my heart surgery. It was at hand, so I grabbed it. But it's a form of communication. We're focusing on communication this month on this year's Get Your Goals annual challenge. All about communication goals this month. So we're going to talk about a lot of communication-related idioms. And I think it's really appropriate for our Supersize Your Business group because communication is critical to us achieving our goals and objectives in our businesses, to building relationships, to anything and everything, to getting the word out about our business, to sharing information with the people that we're here to serve, because our businesses are here to serve someone. We exchange value by providing products and services to people, solving problems for them, and in turn they give us their money, right? That's a very simplified version of how business works. So this idiom, this expression actually dates back to the 1580s, when it meant to get messages to someone, to get information to somebody. Now, it literally meant to get information to somebody. Just because they got the information doesn't mean they received it, doesn't mean they understood it. But over time, it figuratively meant, hey, did you get the message? Meaning, do you really understand and comprehend the message and the information that's being conveyed and delivered to you? And we do that through a lot of different communication skills and styles and abilities, right? We paraphrase back, we ask questions, we verify that people actually understand what it is that we're trying to deliver to them. And this came to mean people's behavior and actions shows us even more clearly than their words the message that they're, the intent that they're really trying to convey. This type of information comes in really handy when you're negotiating different things, when you're negotiating deals, when you're negotiating contracts. Understanding the message people are really trying to convey, that they're not necessarily using words to describe and say, can be a very, very powerful communication skill. The ability to read people and understand what the messages that they're sending, that they're not really specifically saying that they're sending. You can tell what's most important to people, and that's how you decide what you're going to offer them as you grow and build and supersize your business. So I like this idiom. I think it's an important idiom and an important thing to remember, both of ourselves and of the people that we're interacting with as we grow and build our business. We have to remember that sometimes we don't even know what it is that we want. Wow, think about that for a second. We know what we want, but we don't always on a subconscious level really know what we want and how we're going to go about getting it. And if other people have the ability to read that in us, they can help us to achieve our goals and objectives much, much faster. So I think this is a great idiom. I'd love to know your stories and experience with it. I definitely have some stories where I was like with blinders on and I was not getting the message. And sometimes that worked out okay. Sometimes it worked out really, really badly for me because I wasn't getting the message. I wasn't really seeing the people or the situation in front of me, mainly because I couldn't possibly even fathom or think the way that they did in those situations. And so I had blinders on and chose to trust people that maybe I shouldn't have trusted sometimes. And I think we get stories like that. If you're in business long enough, you're going to find people don't always do what they say they're going to do. They aren't always true to their word, and they aren't always above board, upfront, and honest with us. I know, mind-boggling, hard to believe, but oh so true. So that's our idiom for today. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have a great day.